This week on Extension Today, my colleague Jenny Lopp joins me in the demonstration kitchen on Waterman Farm, where we're going to be cooking up tomatoes.
Extension Today is sponsored by the Ohio State University College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.
Today, Jenny is going to show us a delicious recipe prepared with these amazing tomatoes.
Thanks, Tim. So we have a variety of colorful, ripe, locally grown and picked tomatoes that we're going to use today to make a fresh tomato salsa. I'm gonna start with a couple of these red ones.
Why don't you add this rascal right here? This is called green zebra.
I'm gonna go ahead and scoop all of this tomato into the bowl. Now we're gonna add some onions, some garlic, some cilantro. Our final ingredients are lime and salt. And that is it. That's a simple, easy way to use your fresh tomatoes from your garden.
Jenny, you have a recipe for sweet corn.
Yeah, we're gonna do a street corn recipe. Start with some mayonnaise, and then we have some crema here, some queso, cheese, a little bit of garlic, and then some chipotle pepper, lime, fresh cilantro, and spread it right on top of your corn, just like you might butter an ear of corn.
For more information on these delicious recipes, visit us at go.osu.edu/extension today. And thanks for joining us this time on Extension Today.
Extension Today is sponsored by the Ohio State University College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.